If you're looking to build a proposal that not only gets the client's attention, but also closes the sale, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into how to craft a proposal that actually gets you results, not just a maybe response. Stick around because I'll be sharing a simple but powerful method that's guaranteed to convert. First things first, the key to a proposal that closes the sale is focusing on the client's needs, not just your offering. Most proposals fail because they talk about the product or service in terms of features, not benefits. So, start by highlighting what's in it for them. How your solution addresses their pain points, saves them time, or increases their revenue. Next, make sure your proposal clearly outlines the problem you're solving. This part sets the stage for your solution, but you've got to be specific. Use the client's own language to show that you fully understand their challenges. This builds trust and frames you as the expert who knows how to help. Once you've outlined the problem, move on to the solution. This is where you describe exactly what you're offering and how it addresses their specific needs. But don't just list features. Talk about the outcomes they'll see from your solution. Paint a picture of the future where their problem is solved and life is easier. Now let's talk about the call to action. A great proposal doesn't leave the decision in the client's hands. It guides them. Tell them exactly what steps they need to take to move forward. A simple, let's schedule a call, or click here to sign up is powerful. Make it clear that the next step is easy and within reach. Another key component is pricing. A lot of proposals leave pricing till the end, but this can be a mistake. Don't bury it under a pile of information. Introduce your price early on and explain the value they're getting for that price. Break it down into understandable terms, and if possible, present different pricing tiers to cater to various budgets. This makes it easier for them to say yes without hesitation. At this point, you should also include some proof of success. Think case studies, testimonials, or metrics that back up your claims. This gives your proposal authority and shows the client that you've delivered on your promises in the past. And here's an often overlooked detail. Design matters. Your proposal should be visually appealing. A well-organized, easy-to-read proposal gives the impression of professionalism and attention to detail. It also makes it easier for the client to digest the information quickly. Finally, always end with a strong, confident closing statement. Remind them of the problem you're solving and how your solution is the perfect fit. Give them one last call to action and express your enthusiasm to work with them. If you followed these steps, you're well on your way to creating a proposal that not only impresses, but actually closes the sale. And don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial of our software in the description below. This tool makes it easier than ever to craft proposals that convert, and it's only available to viewers of my channel. So, the key takeaway here is simple. A proposal that closes the sale is one that speaks directly to the client's needs, offers a clear solution, provides proof, and includes an easy call to action. Keep it client-focused, clear, and persuasive. To recap, we talked about understanding the client's pain points, framing your solution in terms of benefits, presenting your pricing clearly, showcasing proof of success, and ensuring your proposal is well-designed and easy to read. If you haven't already, don't forget to grab the exclusive free trial linked below. It's a game changer for building proposals that actually close deals. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your proposals.